If your warehouse staff are still running paper pick lists, you've probably looked at digitising your operation, discovered that a single one of these can cost several $1,000s, while the system behind it can set you back more than a full-time staff member. That's because most warehouse management systems are built for giant logistics firms with huge warehouses and software budgets to match, which is not much help if you're a smaller product business and just want to professionalise your warehouse op, cut down on those mistakes, and help your staff be more efficient. Well, the good news is you can now run a full warehouse management system on one of these, a $100 smartphone that gives you digital pick lists, that verifies you're collecting the right goods, and make sure you're running a proper FIFO system so you pick your older stock first. It'll even let you run multiple bin locations for the same stock numbers within your warehouse, so you stay on top of what's in your storage area, what's in your fast-moving pick zones, and replenish between them. I'm talking, of course, about the Unleashed Warehouse Management app, a module built right into your inventory system, but designed especially for your warehouse staff, with nice chunky buttons you can use with gloves on, and of course, QR and barcode scanning with your phone's built-in camera. If that sounds like the right tool for your warehouse team, get in touch today. We'll be happy to set up a demo so you can see if it suits your needs.